Hello, my dear student, class 9. Now, this is actually lesson for third unit. So, we are now study third unit little bit. একটু একটু করে থার্ড ইউনিট আমরা যাব আর এর সঙ্গে you have to complete the question bank and repetition of the additional questions and answer of the other text. So today I am going to discuss about the second part of the price of bananas. So before going to start, now I am giving some words. Write down some words please and do that. Okay. Now write the words, meaning and parts of speech. Very good. Prolific, admiration, stories, untouchable, frolicking, reminders, are then, pictures, pump, a great deal of, generous, perspiration, luggage, snatched, embroidered. That's all. Now I'm going to start the today's lesson. So last days the lesson টা আমরা পড়িয়েছিলাম, we have seen that how a businessman ignored the importance of the coolie, and last day we also had seen the difference between the request of the normal pious man and the businessman. দুজনের মধ্যে যে রিকোয়েস্টের কত পার্থক্য, ডিফারেন্সটা আমরা আগের দিন দেখেছি। Now today it will shows more about the behavioral change of human beings. The people on the platform were much amused by the plight of the businessman. He looked with a piteous and hopeless expressions on his face. Meanwhile, a fruit hawker had come forward, pushing his little cart. He told the Sethi that he would rescue the cap. The businessman seemed slightly relieved. The vendor went ahead, dangling a couple of bananas at the monkey with his right hand. He stretched out his left hand for the cap. The monkey seemed to hesitate. Now this is totally different incident. After a long request, means finally threatening was given by the businessman. The monkey was actually far away. So what was the appearance of the businessman on that time? He was really hopeless, and all the platform members, the passengers, co-passengers are really surprised with the behavior of the businessman. Now the businessman was in a critical condition, in a plight, in critical condition. আজ কিন্তু আমি আর ওয়ার্ড লেখাবো না, আমি পড়াতে পড়াতেই তোমাদেরকে ওয়ার্ড মিনিং বলবো, তোমাদেরকে কিন্তু নোট ডাউন করে যেতে হবে। He looked with a piteous, means his appearance was really very sorrowful, hopeless. Means anybody could watch it and think he was full of sand. In that circumstances, the hopelessness, the piteous mood, the sad mood, the fruit hawker came forward. He was coming towards the businessman, now pushing his little cart aside, his little cart, তার ছোট্ট দোকানটাকে একটু সরিয়ে দিয়ে, he told the Sethji that he would rescue the cat. Means he informed the Sethji that he had the capacity to return the cat. The businessman seemed slightly relieved. On that time, the businessman looked quite comfortable. He thought, yes, it can happen. The vendor went ahead. The vendor went ahead, dangling a couple of bananas. Duto banana couple, just 2 bananas in his hand, and he nodded it, dangling it. একটু নাড়িয়েছিল। তোমরা সেই ড্যাংলিং কথাটা মনে পড়ছে তোমাদের? কোথায় দেখো, কাঠ টুথেকের মধ্যে মনে পড়ছে যে পড়াটা আমরা কিছুদিন আগে পড়িয়েছিলাম, যেটা হচ্ছে তোমার দাঁতের প্রচন্ড ব্যথা হয়েছিল। কোনখানে পড়েছিলে তোমরা, মনে পড়ছে? Yes, you are right. That is the tooth is dangling. মনে পড়ছে? And Aunt Polly actually pulled it out from the gum. এটা আমরা যে গল্পটায় পড়েছিলাম, that is নড়ছে, ড্যাংলিং মানে নড়ানো। was nodding this banana in front of the monkey. Monkey kache nodalo. He stretched out his hand, left hand, bahatta dilo. He was actually forwarding, stretching his hand towards the monkey, but monkey seemed to hesitate. Monkey was quite in doubt whether he was really given to the the 2 banana or not. Oh wow, come down. The vendor coaxed the monkey. He lifted bananas higher up. The monkey responded by climbing down cautiously to branch near the vendor. It is the calling. The vendor was calling. The vendor was actually trying to attract the monkey with the different sound. Ah, esho, esho, come in, come in. একটু সামনে এসো, তাকে যেন ডাকছে। দেখে কি করতে চাইছে? Is actually attracted him, coaxed him. As he lifted the banana higher, যতটা উপরে তুলছে, the monkey responded by climbing the cautiously. The monkey was responding, no doubt, but he was very cautious. He was really careful about the situation. The whole platform now became silent and waited the bated breath for the impossible to happen. The whole platform wants to see this magic, whether it would be happen. Everyone is kept quite silent. সবাই নিস্তব্ধ, নিশ্চুপ হয়ে আছে। রুদ্ধশ্বাসে, bated breath means শ্বাস যেন বন্ধ হয়ে আসছে। এতটাই থ্রিলিং ভাবে সবাই দেখছে that something impossible would be happen. The vendor quaked in a soft voice, ah, to the monkey. The monkey, looking this side and that, accepted the bargain. What happened? Everyone watching. Now vendor was so polite and calling him so affectionately. Aro bhalobeshe take daklo. The monkey kintu ebar ki korlo, looking at the side and that, accepted the bargaining. এই যে দর কষাকষিটা, দুটো বানানা দিচ্ছে, তুমি ওটা ফেরত দাও, and that was going to be possible. It took over the bananas with his right hand and released the embroidered cap, slightly crumpled with its left hand. Now this is give and take policy. Though it is quite crumpled, to dumlano mochrano hoye giyechilo, no doubt. It's the crumpled. It's actually little bit crushed, little bit ভাঁজ পড়ে গেছে ওর মধ্যে, ক্রাস্ট হয়ে গেছে, বাট ই রিলিজ দ্য এমব্রয়ডারিড ক্যাপ। ক্যাপটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিল, বিনিময়ে দুটো কলা নিয়ে নিল। The spectators shouted to praise in praise. The fruit vendors came and humbly offered the Sethji his cap. They are hungry, he said, so they disturbed the passengers. Acha, said the Sethji, and turned to go into the compartment. The vendor said, Sethji, please give me 2 anna for the bananas which I had offered to the monkey. The spectators means the onlookers, the men who are actually watching this uncanny incident. They are really surprised to watch this impossible to happen. And more impossible is going to be happen, more uncanny is going to be happen. What? When fruit vendors came to humbly, ভালোবেসে, অত্যন্ত বিনয়ের সঙ্গে, with a humble behavior, gentle behavior, he offered the Sethji his cap, capta se diye dilo. They are hungry, he said, and explained why the monkey actually doing all these. Keno monkey emon kore? Because they are hungry. They disturb the passengers just to get some food. Acha, the Sethji respond with a very positive mood. And what? He turned to go negative way. তিনি ঘুরে চলে গেলেন. He was now going in his own way without giving the money of the bananas. So the vendor asked the Sethji, please provide him 2 annas. Okay, 2 anna dewa hok, because he had provided the fruit, means the bananas, to the monkey in exchange of his cap, embroidered cap. 2 annas? What importance? Sethji shouted each word in disgust in the grimy fruit vendors. Please give him the monkey money, Sethji. The rest of the compartment said, Acha, here are 4 annas for you, porter, and 1 anna for you, fruit vendor, Sethji said. Now, Sethji was really puzzled. He was important. What is? Means he was not like the rudeness of the vendor. He doesn't like that 2 annas for it. Never be. So he gave the 4 anna for the porter, কুলিটার জন্য 4 আনা দিয়েছিল, and 1 anna, single anna for the fruit vendor. But I carried 2 big pieces of luggage, the porter valet. Now the porter valet that he cried loudly that he had carried 2 big pieces of luggage, and for that only 4 anna. It is really hopeless, really disheartening to him. Go, crook, Sethji thundered in the protesting porter. The porter left. The fruit vendor persisted. Sethji, I saved your honorable cap. The businessman threw an anna towards him on the platform. That was Muluk Razanand actually want to discuss through this story, that what is the behavioral change of a man after getting the own things. Crook, go, crook. You are really a dishonest person, crook. You're a dishonest person. Go. What I have given. It's just a তুচ্ছতা করা, ছোট করা, dishonored করা. The porter left. Kintu the vendor persisted. He wanted to get some more. It stuck him, and he said, Sethji, please provide him the 2 annas because he have saved his honor. সম্মানের চেয়ে বড় আর কি আছে? তোমার সম্মানটা আমি রক্ষা করে দিয়েছি, so please provide me the money. The guard whistle blew. The train was about to depart. The vendor looked through the compartment window. All in vain. The businessman threw an anna on the platform, and now the train is whistling the signal of green, and the train is going to be start. The vendor looked in through the compartment. Compartmenটের মধ্যে জানলা দিয়ে সে তাকাচ্ছে. He was looking through the window. Just might be the fruit vendor might be the Sethji would provide him. Sethji, do not rob the poor. Ja, the rest. The Sethji scrawled at him. Ja, means it's a very dishonorable word. Ja, অনেক দিয়েছি. and said he scrolled at him. তাকে অনেকটা কি করলো? It was actually in a angry mood. The fruit vendor requested him repeatedly, don't rob me. আমাকে এমন করে স্ন্যাচ করো না, আমাকে এমন করে আপনি আমাকে হারিয়ে দেবেন না, আমাকে স্ন্যাচ করবেন না, আমাকে যেটাকে আমরা বলি ডেকোরেট করে নেবেন না, আমাকে লুটে নেবেন না, আমি তো সাধারণ একজন গরিব লোক। The train had begun to move. The fruit vendor first ran along with it, then got into the footsteps and clung to the window, pleading, but Setji had turned his head away. He was looking out of the window at the goods train on the other side. The train had passed the whole length of the platforms and the frustrated vendor finally dropped off. That was the very pathetic situations in this whole passage. The train went away, চলে গেল। সেটজি কিন্তু এর দিকে কোনো লক্ষ্যই করলেন না। Setji has turned his head towards the footsteps of clung in the window, pleading, বারবার অনুনয় বিনয় করলো, pleading, requested several times, but all in vain. He was past, departed হয়ে গেল ট্রেনটা, through the goods train পাশ দিয়ে চলে গেল, and what happened? Finally the vendor was dropped off, পড়ে গেল, হোঁচট খেয়েছে, পড়ে গেল on the platform. Setji turned round to all us and began to justify himself. If he didn't want to help me to get my cap back, he should not have offered the monkey the bananas. I did not ask him to help. The Setji was now making a self-criticism inside the platform, just inside the train compartment, just to justify himself. নিজেকে বিচার করার জন্য সে বারে বারে এই কথাটা বলতে লাগলো। If he did not want to help me to get my cap back, he should not have offered the monkey the bananas. I did not ask him to help. আমি তাকে বলিনি, I have not asked to the vendor to allow, to provide the banana to the monkey. Why he had done? সে কেন এটা করেছে? I felt that all the other passengers had sympathy for the poor vendor. The whole amusing episode had ended in a bitter sense of grievance against the rich businessman who had been so hard to the generous-hearted fruit vendor. It is quite clear the author, লেখক এখানে খুব সুন্দরভাবে ব্যাখ্যা করেছেন যে একটা সুন্দর ঘটনা, it's a very beautiful incident, now turned into a bitter one. একটা তিক্ততার মধ্যে শেষ হতে চললো। And always get the grievance দোষারোপ করা হলো। কাকে? একটা জেন্টলম্যানকে, একটা নর্মাল কাইন্ড হার্টেড জেন্টলম্যানকে কি করা হলো? কমপ্লেন্ট করা হলো, গ্রিভেন্স দেওয়া হলো, অভিযোগ করা হলো। কে? দ্য রিচ বিজনেসম্যান, হু আর নট জেনারাস, who are very cruel and drop-hearted. I drew a cartoon to Setji and showed my drawing to all the other passengers except him. Everyone laughed. The more we laughed, Setji became the more uncomfortable. On that time, the author drew a cartoon. At a cartoon ekechhilen about this dishonored work of the Setji. Everyone laughing after watching it, except the Setji, because he did not see it. আর সবাই যত হাসছিল, everyone looked and laughed, Setji became more uncomfortable, আরো অসহায় বোধ করছিলেন। So this is the real behavior of a rich man in this word. এই ওয়ার্ডগুলো তার সঙ্গে তোমরা করবে, ফ্রলিকিং, প্লেইং অ্যারাউন্ড ইন এ লিভলি হ্যাপি ওয়ে, আনন্দের সাথে ঘোরাফেরা করা, ঝাঁপিয়ে চলা, পারস্পিরেশন, সোয়েট, ঘেমে যাওয়া, কোয়াক্সড, পারসুয়েডেড সামবডি আর্নেস্টলি, কিছুটা অ্যাফেকশনেটের সুরে কাউকে ডাকা, ক্রাম্পেড মানে ক্রাস্ট, দমড়ানো, মোচড়ানো, আনা, অ্যান ওল্ড ফর্ম অফ ইন্ডিয়ান কারেন্সি, 16 আনাতে 1 টাকা হয়, এটা আমাদের ভারতীয় মুদ্রার একটা একক। ইম্পুডেন্স, রুডনেস, কিছুটা তিক্ততা, যেন কি বলে ওটাকে আমরা কি বলবো, তীক্ষ্ণতা, আনকাইন্ড বিহেভিয়ার। গ্রিমি, কভার্ড উইথ ডার্ট, যেটা আমরা বলি ময়লা দিয়ে ঢাকা। ক্রুক, এ ডিসঅনেস্ট পারসন, ব্যাড ওয়ান। স্ক্রোল্ড, যেটা যে লুকড সামবডি অ্যাংরিলি, কারো দিকে আমরা রাগান্বিত হয়ে একে তাকিয়ে থাকা, তাকে আমরা স্ক্রোল্ড বলি। দ্যাটস অল মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, আস্তে আস্তে করো। আর এরপর আমি কিছু এডিশনাল দেবো, প্রত্যেকটা পেছনের পার্ট থেকে ধীরে ধীরে এবার এডিশনালে চলবো। অর্থাৎ সেকেন্ড ইউনিটের আমার ফুল প্রিপারেশন এবার নিতে হবে। এই জুলাই এবং আগস্ট মাসটা, জুলাই মাসের মধ্যে আমরা ধীরে ধীরে চলবো এবং ইউনিট 2 এর কোশ্চেন আনসার কিন্তু তোমাদের করতে হবে ফর দ্য প্রিপারেশন of second unit. Thank you very much for watching this channel.